So what would be your response to a question of a lot of the business intelligence, or if it's maybe a nonprofit kind of policy questions that one might ask of a data scientist are related to causal inference? Someone with a strong, or lacking a strong statistical background may not exactly know how to position the analysis in order to get at that causal relationship. How would you respond to that in the sense of using these kind of out-of-the-box data science tools?
Yeah, that's a fantastic question, and I think probably something I spend at least 50% of my time fighting with people over, especially, as you noted, with out-of-the-box tools. Where they are now, where the current state of things is, you know, you can run your data through them and they say sort of like, oh my God, everybody who likes mint chocolate chip ice cream is also a member of your organization. Like, these two things probably aren't related unless you're the ice cream society, specifically the mint chocolate chip ice cream society. And so having the ability to navigate a conversation about what's correlation and what's causation and where you can differentiate the two is going to be super important. A lot of times, especially in spaces where you don't have a team of data scientists, you have an analyst, especially in that sort of space, you're going to have people that just really want an answer. Just really want an answer. They just want something. They just want you to tell them, solve X, and you'll make, you know, all your problems go away overnight. I think we all know that that's not really how it works. And so you have to be able to bring that conversation to them to say, yes, there's a relationship here. No, it's not necessarily something that if we control for it, we're going to solve this problem. I think there are other factors at play. I think that we need to look at this or that or the other. And sort of develop that analysis further. That's what I would say. Yeah?
So just going off of that, have you found that there are other like general misconceptions people have about data or analytics that kind of contributes to this like widening gap in like statistical literacy?
Yeah, I think there's sort of both sides of the issue are a big issue, big part of this problem. Data quality. So a lot of organizations have a lot of data, but it's not always necessarily very trustworthy. And so sort of paradoxically, both you have to help people to understand where the potential pitfalls in the data are, and you have to also help them understand statistical significance. So like you have to say, okay, yeah, this data is a little bit flawed, but we can kind of account for it here, and we can still run whatever algorithm we need on it and get an answer that we can stand behind, you know. So it's kind of an interesting sort of tightrope to walk, to navigate between like just the sheer volume of data that people have access to and the questions that they want to ask of it, and helping them to have confidence in the answers regardless of the data set's initial quality.